Hi everyone, welcome. In front of me today I have Happy Plugs R1 Plus, and today I will show you how to enable phone calls. Let's get started. But first we have to remove them from our case, just like that. The right one and the left one. We have to wait until they are connected to our phone. And now we have to scroll down to our control panel, hold our finger on Bluetooth, and now we have to click this little gear icon. Now we have to scroll down and enable phone calls. You can either disable it or enable it. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos and hope it helps. Goodbye.